Hello, good morning, students. From today, we will start how do metals and non-metals react. Okay. Questions are not coming on this, but from by the theoretical knowledge, you should be know. Okay. When metal reacts with non-metal to form a ionic compound, metal reacts with a non-metal forming an ionic compound. On the other hand, when non-metal reacts with other non-metal to form a covalent bond compound. So first of all, what we are saying when metal is react with the non-metal, it form a ionic compounds. When a non-metal is react with a non-metal, it form a covalent compound. Understood till this thing? Okay. Now next. A force of attraction developed between the atoms or ions which hold them together. Means anything which we are holding together tightness. Why does some attraction should be there? Some force should be there. Okay. That force we can say attraction force, or we can say a bond formation takes place. That a bond formation is said to be a chemical bond or just bond. Okay. Now what is that bond? Like I am using here H2O. What is the bond here? H is 2, oxygen is 1, H coming here and H is coming here. The things which is joining on this one side with this one side, this is said to be as bond. Means why these bonds, these two things are joined with this a single oxygen. Okay. Next is inertness of noble gases. Noble gases are of 6. Okay. There are some elements in group 18 in the periodic table which do not combine with other elements. Why they will not combine with other elements? Because they do not react with other elements to form compound. Because they already electronic configuration is fulfilled. That's why they are not react with other elements. Okay. In another words, inertness gas do not form chemical compound. They will not form a chemical bond. Only the outermost electron in an atom take part in chemical reaction. Since the noble gases are chemically unreactive, because their outermost electron is already completed. Okay. Please you see this page, and what the things are important you can write it in your copy. Now I am going to explain you first. These are the noble gases. Okay. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the symbols. Atomic number it is given. In 9th standard I have teaches to you that anything if we are breaking into 2, 8, 18, 32 like this we are breaking. But this 18 also we are breaking into 8 and 8 like this we are breaking. If 18 is here, 8, 8, 16, 2 like this we are breaking. Okay, so see here now. Helium atomic number was 2, it means 2 is coming. Neon 10 atomic number 2, 8, 10. Argon 18, 2, 8, 8. 8 and 2, 10, 10 and 8, 18. 36. Now see here, 2, 8, 18, 8. We are using that one thing, 2, 8, 18, 32. We are using here, same. But they are not, for 18 they are not breaking out, right? Directly they are writing. Okay. You have to see the last one. The last one is already completed, fully filled. That's why they will not participate with anyone else and not form a chemical reactions. Same conditions I am using here radon, that is 86. 2, 8, 18, 32 fulfilled. Again 18, 8. Means is this at last these things are coming, means is this they are fully stable. That's why they will not react with any other element. In this one book, in this one page, these things only given to you which I have explained right now. and these are stable also. Noble gas helium, the number outermost electron is 2. Something of which I have teaches here na, that all things is written here. Okay, so you can write it by yourself. Now next is, by losing one or more electron to another atom, by gaining one or more electron, by sharing one or more electron. Now losing one or more electron, losing means giving, losing means giving, gaining means taking, sharing means one I have taken, one you have taken, that is sharing. Understood the three things? Losing, gaining, sharing. Let's take one example. I will take one example. Okay, I have taken an example of chlorine. NaCl I have taken. Okay, sodium and chlorine. I will take an example, not NaCl. H is 1. Cl is how many? 17. 2, 8, 7. 7 is coming at the here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it is easy that this 7 will go here, and this is easy that 1 will come here. Which one is easy? This is easy na, this 1 will come on this one side. When 1 will come on this one side, chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hydrogen is remain like this. It forming a 8. It means H is given to chlorine. H is given to chlorine means who is losing here? H is losing. Who is gaining? Chlorine is gaining. Understood now this one? Okay. Now all the things are up to this only. After this, next is ions. Ions. Okay, ion is an electrically charged atom or group of atom. Example: sodium Na positive, Mg2 positive, Cl negative. These are things written here. Al3 positive. These are said to be as ions. A positive charge ion is called as cation. Let's see. Ion, two types: cation, anion. Cation positive, anion negative. Fine. Na minus electron. It means this electron is going on this one side. It is a cation. Now negative charge is called as anion. Chlorine is giving electron. Plus sign is here. Chlorine is taking means chlorine have to take a one electron, because see here sodium. In a sodium, I will tell you. Sodium 11 is here. 281. It means 28 it fulfill its property, but 1 is extra, so it will give. It will give. Second example they are using as chlorine. In a chlorine 17 is here. 287. It means it need a 1. It will give 1. Okay, that's why the sign is like this, minus sign means it is giving 1. Minus sign is here, it is giving 1, and it is taking, it need only 1 electron na to complete, so Cl minus, it coming in anion and it coming in cation. Understood? Now formation of positive ions. Now what I have teaches till right now, all the things are depend on this only. Okay, if an element has 1, 2, 3 electrons in the outermost shell of the atom, then it loses the electron to achieve the inert gas arrangement of valence electron. Okay, now let's see 281. We are using 281 here. 1 is extra here, means if this 1 will go, it fulfill its octet, complete the stability. 28 it remain. Now when it remains as 28 means 10, it form a neon. Okay, next is formation of sodium ion. Right now only I have said to you, it is a 281. When we are taking out a 1 electron, it is said to be as 28. Okay, next, this is we are talking about the sodium. 2 on this one side, KLMN, 2 on this one side, 8 on this one side, and 1 is extra. We will lose this electron. 1 when we will lose, then it fulfill the octet. This one second octet will fulfill. Okay, next we are taking as potassium, similar to the formation of sodium, because like sodium, the potassium is also 1 electron in its outermost shell. Potassium 2881, it means its atomic number is 19. 2881, last one is 1 here. So if 1 will go anywhere else, it will give, 1 will give, then till here 8 it will fulfill its octet. Fulfill its octet. When it will fulfill its octet, what it will form? It will form an argon, because 18 number is of argon. Understood? Now next is magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Magnesium atomic number 12. 282. Let's see. This 2, if it will go with any other element, it complete the octet. 283. It will go, then it will complete the octet. We are not talking about 284, because here it need 4 will go also, and 4 is coming also. This is the exceptional condition. Okay, this condition I will teach you after this all things. 285, 286, 287. Sorry, 287. So now listen here. For making its 8, how much we need? 5, 6, 7, 8. We need a 3. So means it will not go this one side. 3 is coming on this one side. 6, 2 its need. 2 is coming on this one side. 7 it need. 1 is coming on this one side. It will not go. In a 4-1, 4 is an exceptional case. 4 will go also, or 4 will come also. What the lecture I am giving from the book, now these all things is written like this only, with the different types of examples. Okay, 282, it means 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have given all the things to you. Now you can see the book. Now it will understood to you easily. 282. They have lose the 2 electron. I have said to you, lose the 2 electron. It form 28. 8, 9, 10 it form. In all the aluminium, 13 is there. 3. It need how many electrons to complete the octet? It needs a 5 to complete the octet. Means 5 it is not easy for us to come on this one side. 3 is easy to go on this one side. So that says 2, 8 is remain on this one side, and 3 it loses the electron. It is loses the electron 3. Same conditions are going this one. Let's first tell about the formation of negative ions. Negative ions is 5, 6, 7. In the outermost shell of an atom, then it is gain electron to achieve the stable inert gas electron configuration of 8 valence electron and form negative charge is called anion. 5, 6, 7. Now 5, 6, 7 is taking the electron from anyone elements. That's why it is said to be an anion. It is taking. That's why anion. It is giving. First one, that is giving. That's why it is a cation. Okay. Those things which is giving, that is a cation, and those who are taking, that is called as a anion. Let's take an example here. Example we will take now. One same example we will take of chlorine. 7 is here in chlorine. We need only 1. Okay, 7 is go on this one side, very typical, but 1 will come on this one side is very easy. So it is chlorine has taken from any element, not only hydrogen. At that time what the examples are there, by those examples only we will do. So it form a 8. That's why it has taken a 1 electron. That's why it is coming in a anion form. Okay, it has taken. Now all the conditions you can see the examples now very easily. You can see the examples, and these were the notes. You can make by yourself the notes. I'm only explaining to you. 7. It now the plus sign is coming. Why it is so? Because it need a 1 electron. That's why it form a 288. Okay. Next. See here now fastly. In our oxygen you can see 6, 7, 8 fulfilled. 6, 7, 8 is there. 2 and 6. It needed 2 electrons. Okay. So plus 2 electron. Plus sign is there. 2 is coming on this one side. It form a 2, 8. Understood? You can see here also. 2, 6, 6. It need only 2. It form a 8. That's why plus 2 sign coming on this one side. And this is said to be as anion. Why? Because it is taking from anyone else. And at back one side it is a cation because it is giving. Now let's see here nitride. Nitrogen is 7. 5, 6, 7 atomic number. 5 is here. It needed 3. So 3 is easy to come here or 5 is easy to go there? 3 is easy to come here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, it needed 3 electrons. That's why it formed a 2, 8. Okay, understood till here? Negative and positive. Now let's tell about the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure, backside also it is there. Like fluorine. Fluorine atomic number is 9. We have to do the electronic configuration 2, 7. 7 is here. So 7 fluorine, this is a symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next is 7. Chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to see now how we have to form the ions. Okay. Now here how many? 7 is here. So we have put it a 1 sign here, minus sign. When we are putting a 1 minus sign here and we are adding a 1 point here, so it form an 8. Chlorine, 1 is, we are putting a minus sign here and we are putting a 1, adding a 1 point dot, we are adding 1 and it form a fulfilled. Chloride. Oxygen, 6 is here. How many? We need a 2, that's why 2 minus we are putting here and we are putting a 2 dots here on this one side, that's why it form an octet fully. Now next is here also 6 is here, we need a 2, 2 minus is here, 2 dot structure we have put it form this one. In a nitrogen, now in nitrogen 5 is there, 6, 7, 8, 3 we needed, 3 minus we have put it and 3 dots we are adding. This form as the electron dot structure. This form as electron dot structures. Now next is types of chemical bonds. One in ionic bond, second is covalent bond. This we will do afterwards. Again I will tell one thing about the this one dot about the dot structure. Don't be confused in an electron dot structure, okay? See here now. If I will use here fluorine, chlorine, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Carbon I have taken. Carbon 6, 2 and 4. Okay? This is the exceptional case I have taken. Okay? 4 is here. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it need a 4. So, what we will do? Minus 4. And we are for this what we will do, we are doing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After carbon, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, carbon, then nitrogen we are using 7 N 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 it needed. What we will do, -1, and we are putting a 1 dot here. Okay, next is we are taking as aluminium. Aluminium is 13, 2 8 3, 3 is here. What we will do, Al 1 2 3. How many it need? It need 3 4 5 6 7 8. It need 5. So here we will put a dot, 1 2 3 4 5, and fulfill the octet. This formation of the electron dot structure. Understood now? These things you do in your copies. You can see it nicely. Now I am going to show you the pages and you can write it in your copies. Okay? See the pages very nicely, and the notes you can make by yourself. And the homework which I am giving to you, that also you have to do in your copies. Electron dot is dot representation, please make it properly a table, and more example also you can add. And types of bond, 2 types, ionic and covalent, and the rest things we will do afterwards. Thank you and have a nice day.